everyone. So I'm in my bedroom and I have my day off. Oh my gosh, my cat, or my sister's cat. Don't ruin my clothes. It's trying to claw my clothes. Oh my gosh. Stop. Please, kitty. I just noticed it's really messy and I need to clean it. Let me give you like a room tour. I have dirty laundry there. Oh my gosh, Max, quit it. Max. This is actually probably the only cleanest part of my room. I have clothes all over my bed. I need to put them away because I just washed them and I hang them to dry and I just leave them there. I need to put them away. My dog's sleeping right there. So, and then I have behind here with all my mailing stuff, my sewing machine, and I just don't want it there anymore. It's kind of bothering me. And then I have just up here, I guess. Oh my gosh, kitty, stop. And I have up here all my photos, which this is kind of clean, but I still just need to, you know, wipe it down. My mirror is so dirty. Look at that. And then another thing that I needed to clean were my drawers. They're just like, I stuff my things into them. I don't even fold them, nothing. And they're just really bad. I need to take them all out and actually categorize them into their own drawer because they're just mixed up. So I want to do that today. I also have like this mess right here. Pile of clothes, don't know where. And look, he already made a mess. Max! Max! What are you doing with my clothes? So I'm gonna start by emptying all of my drawers and then just putting into their own spot. So I'm gonna put like short skirt, jeans, I don't know, slacks or whatever. And then things that should go hung up. I don't like hanging things up, but I think I need to because I don't have much space. I have too many jeans. So there's my pants, my stripy pants. Now to my bottom drawers. Shorts. I have my skirts. Then I have my pants. The next thing I have to do is to hang up all my clothes. Here is what it looks like with all my Shirts, dresses, jackets, sweaters, up. So my camera died while I cleaned this part, but let me show you what I picked up. I picked all my dirty clothes up and I put them in ready to wash. And then I emptied out this bottom. It had dirty clothes as well. These are gonna stay here. This is my base, like, bag cover thing. These are just gloves and childhood plush toys. A suitcase with some more of my old film, photos, and also cameras. This is a mirror that lights up, but it doesn't match my room, but I like it. And then this is filled with my old drawings, like paint and charcoal art from college. And so that's what my full closet looks like from the inside. And then here's me. Hi. So I cleaned that area, cleaned this area. I still have to fix my bed, but I'm not going to do it yet. And oh my gosh, I have to put those away. So almost done. I want to do one last thing. It's kind of a big thing before I start getting the cleaning with, like, you know, vacuuming, Windex dusting sort of thing. I want to paint my white walls over again. They're really dirty. Some of it's my fault, some of it's because of my sister that was in this room before. And I just want to repaint them. They're really ugly. Let me show you. You probably can't tell, but when I go really close and zoom up, you'll see. I'll show you. So these little spots, I don't know why my sister did that. She really did that. She put paint over, I don't know, my walls. And then down here, there's blue from my hair, because, like, I was leaning against it, and it just turned blue. And this part is so ugly. I always have to hide it when someone comes over because I hate it so much. But before I came in my room, there was like a mirror here and it would fall over a lot, so it'd make those markings. And they're just so ugly. Oh god. It's really bad. I'm gonna get ready to move my stuff out of the way. Everything in front of the white wall, I'm just gonna bring it forward and lay down some stuff so I won't get paint on the carpet. And get to painting. Haven't painted in a while, so hopefully it looks good and hopefully I do a good job. So I just laid down this cardboard and I put newspaper because there were some openings in the cardboard. And I'm gonna begin painting this area, trying not to get it on me or the carpet. So let's start. I'm kind of excited. stop for a quick sec because the thing just broke on me. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but this thing just broke. Look at it. This is terrible. But at least I got most of it done. I'm gonna try and do a little bit more. It looks really good so far. I think it all matches my other white, so that's a good thing. But look how good it looks. Looks way better than before, that's for sure. That's all I wanted, honestly. Ugh. So I'm gonna let it dry now. My arm's getting tired. So I'm back and I'm going to be doing behind my mirror. It's where all my packages are from when I sell things on Depop, which I haven't been up to lately. And I think I'm going to be putting them into this suitcase that I got from a yard sale a long time ago. Because I have stuff that I need to sell on Depop on there, so it makes sense to put them together. And hopefully it fits, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, I have that much space, and I don't know if all of this could fit in it, but we're gonna try. Oh no. Okay, so I finally cleaned that. I think that was the last thing I wanted to organize. So I'm ready to start vacuuming, dusting, and then I could finish you guys. I could show you guys my finished bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna show you my finished bedroom. This is my cat. thanks for watching, guys. That is it for my organizing and cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.